Hola, soy Santi.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Together we're realizing our dream of relocating to my homeland in the south of Spain.
Along with our Australian Shepherd Levi, we want to share our passion for the Mediterranean lifestyle, where the sun shines more than 320 days a year.
So if you like this video and you want to join us on our journey, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Livinlavidacosta.
'Cause I found my way.
Today we're taking a 45-minute ferry ride off the Alicante coast. We're headed to Tabarca Island. We're going to go find all those dirty pirates hiding from the Spanish. This is where we're going to grab a ferry to Tabarca Island. The island. We're going to be island hoppers. We're going to be Jimmy Buffetts. And we're going to go see if we can find out where the ferry is. So here we are, hon.
Yeah.
We're in Tabarca.
Tabarca?
It's a lot smaller than I thought.
Yes.
Like when they said it was a small island,
Yeah,
it's like tiny.
it's very tiny. It's very cute though.
I sure hope there's more than one bar.
We're parched.
And we're hungry.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock and we haven't eaten all day.
What time did we leave the house?
We left at 12.
12.
So
a 2-hour drive.
yeah,
I think
between the driving, finding parking, and then the ferry ride, yeah, about 2 hours
the most frustrating part was the
trying to find parking.
waiting on the boat for
Yes.
like 20 minutes
Yeah,
in the
when
heat.
she rushed us to go on, and then we waited, ended up waiting.
We were like walking towards the
Yeah.
ticket stand, and she's yelling at
She's
us,
like, hurry, hurry,
hurry,
hurry.
hurry, hurry. And then we get on and hurry and wait.
Yes.
And she's yelling at everybody else. That's
Exactly.
why. So here we are, Tabarca.
Tabarca.
It's a tad lunch.
Yes.
Slightly expensive, but I mean, it was good. What did
Yeah.
we eat? We had
We had croqueta. We just had little tapas. So we had Russian salad, ensaladilla rusa, some croquetas, some pane alioli, a beer each,
And we're stuffed.
water, and I'm stuffed.
our stuff.
Yeah.
There's a-
But yeah,
What-
so we
what
made
did
it
this
here
little
to
tunnel
Tabarca. And so Santi, you want to tell them a little bit of history about this island?
do? So this island is historically Heart Refuge in the 1800s.
And it's the smallest island in Spain that's inhabitable.
That is habitable.
Yes. Habitable, sorry, not inhabitable. Habitable.
So they actually have people that
Yeah.
live. This island's actually very tiny.
Yeah.
If you come visit, it's very small. But most of the people that live here are fishermen.
Yeah.
And it is
It's a cute little coastal island.
cute.
Yeah.
They get the prices, I mean, as far as prices per supper, it was a little bit
Pricey. That was 40
pricier.
euros,
Yeah,
which is a lot. Oh, kind of looks like Greece there.
yeah, it does.
Right?
Let's go check it out.
Looks like Santorini.
It does, very much.
Yeah.
Like I said, this island reminds me a lot of the Greek islands, Santorini. Maybe just because it's an island.
Yeah, probably. From what we've noticed, it's pretty much all pebble or stone beaches. We
Yeah.
could be wrong. That was on the other side of the island. But maybe on this side there's sandy beaches. Ooh, look, we should have eaten at that restaurant.
Oh, that's packed.
Yeah.
That's packed. We had a hard time getting a
Yeah.
restaurant. There was a couple of seats at this one restaurant that had...
Oh, wow. This is packed.
Oh, wow, look at this.
It's cute. Very cute. A lot of people come just for the day to swim. Let's go explore.
Yeah, it's got that island feel to
Yes,
it, eh?
it does. Like an island vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sun is
Scorching hot today.
scorching hot, and there is a zero wind.
No wind.
Very hot. Very, 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 very hot. So, gonna walk through the town. It took us a whole 2
30
minutes.
seconds?
As they would say in the States, one horse town, one stop sign. But we've come to this spot here that is a little wall.
Yeah. Oh,
Remnants
you want to
of-
talk about the pirates?
Oh yeah, so this island, it's quite comical. It was used in the 18th century as a hideout for the Barbary pirates, and they would perform raids on the Alicante mainland. It's a kind comical because,
Where's Jack Sparrow?
yeah, exactly, Jack Sparrow. But it's not that far from the mainland.
No.
So we're gonna walk up these old steps here. That may be Jack Sparrow.
Walked on.
Walk on.
Johnny, are you here? Are you here, Johnny?
Are you here? Yeah. Oh wow, that's a nice view.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
So we're going to show you this view.
Oh, the church is beautiful too.
Yeah. So a lot of little spots. People come here. They just hang out. They spend the day here.
Swim and
Yeah, the water is very nice.
yeah, it's very clear.
Very clear. Very turquoise. A lot of boats. So you have a lot of people that come here from who knows where.
Obviously the mainland.
And it looks like that spot right there
Oh,
is
wow.
a popular hangout. Oh, look at this.
Beautiful.
Like remnants of an old fort.
Yeah. Well, yeah, look at the gates.
Yeah, so this is... So the pirates held out and they would...
Hunker down.
They'd hunker
and
down
then attack.
and go attack Alicante.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like super far away.
Yeah.
Nobody knew they were here.
Inconspicuous.
Yeah, they were hiding behind these walls and nobody knew they were here. So I'm going to turn the camera around.
Yeah,
I'm going to
let's
show
do
you a
that.
little bit.
I'd like to go visit that
I'm going to
church.
show you this church here.
Oh, it looks beautiful. I have a thing for churches. Me and Jesus were like this.
Oh, what are those? The old jail cells underneath?
Oh, wow. Maybe.
No.
Oh, like underneath
yeah,
there.
under
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Huh. Yeah, I
Ooh.
think you're right.
Well, you got to realize that probably in the olden days, the level was much lower. So all this was lower. So this could have been the proper level of the ground back then. And these were walls, defensive walls, and obviously to get in.
Yeah.
Jack. I knew I'd find Jack. I found him.
Hey, Jack Sparrow.
We've made it to the other side. We fought the crowds through the small town.
Yeah.
There's no shade here. But as you can see behind us, this is the other side.
Yeah.
We've got the beach behind us there. I think there's another beach up ahead. The more, seems like quieter area. There's no restaurants on this side. It's like an old fort. We're dying.
Yeah. Just a little.
Just a little bit. It's gonna be beer time again, or water, or something after
I need
this.
water. I'm so
Yeah.
parched.
But it's a warm one out here. But it's a lot of spots where people
Oh,
come
this is cute.
and they hide out.
Oh, wow.
You sweaty enough yet?
Oh my gosh. That line went really quickly though.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
we pulled up when we thought it was going to be a huge lineup, and
Well, it was a huge lineup. We thought we were going to be waiting a while,
yeah,
but the second boat pulled up and it went really quickly.
I was ready to swim.
Yeah. So, Han, your thoughts on Tabarca Island?
So we came, we saw, we conquered Tabarca Island. It was, as you can
lots
see,
of ganja here.
extremely overcrowded. Nice spot. Might actually be nicer to visit in the off season.
Yeah.
Just extremely overcrowded, very hot.
Overpriced
As well.
Yeah.
But I'd come back here, but I think I'd come back here on a day where I'm not losing 40 pounds of sweat. And on that note, see you on the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos.
Oh, hey.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.